Welcome to my new video on the fascinating topic of the white toenails theory. In this video, we will explore why white toenails on feet have become so popular and the various benefits associated with them. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind this trend and its potential advantages. White toenails have gained popularity as a fashionable trend in recent years. Many individuals choose to paint their toenails white to achieve a clean, fresh, and sophisticated look. The simplicity and versatility of white toenails make them a popular choice for both casual and formal occasions. One of the main benefits of white toenails is their aesthetic appeal. White nails create a visually striking contrast against the skin, enhancing the overall appearance of the feet. They can make the toes look longer, more elegant, and well-groomed, adding a touch of glamour to any outfit. White toenails are incredibly versatile and can complement various styles and color palettes. Whether you prefer vibrant and bold hues or neutral tones, white nails can effortlessly blend in and enhance the overall look. They serve as a versatile canvas for nail art, allowing for endless creative possibilities. White toenails can boost confidence and self-esteem. When your feet look aesthetically pleasing and well-groomed, it enhances your overall sense of self. This boost in confidence can positively impact various aspects of life, including social interactions and personal well-being. Maintaining white toenails can be relatively simple compared to other nail colors. Minor touch-ups or regular nail polish changes can easily restore the pristine white appearance. Additionally, white nails are less prone to noticeable chipping, allowing for longer-lasting manicures. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel.